Welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we are going to be extending our class to do queries. All right. This is going to be an awesome class, and we need to make sure that it's ready to do whatever we want it to do. And one of the things is making queries. So let's go ahead and make another method here. I'm going to call it query. But first, we need to say that it's public. All right. So I'm going to name it query. And it's gonna actually bring in the query from wherever we call it. So it's gonna be whatever variable you want. I'm just gonna call it SQL there. All right. Then we're gonna have a variable to save that result set, and we're gonna get it with the function MySQLi query. This function takes two parameters, and the reason why I'm going this fast is because you should already know this. If you don't, you need to take my other course. You need to pause this right now, take my other PHP course for beginners, and make sure that you understand this, because if not, it's going to be really hard on you. Okay, so we're going to pass two parameters here. The first one is the connection, which we have up here. All right, remember this is the connection, and we are holding it in this property right here that we defined up here. All right, so remember that. Don't get confused with this. So connection, comma, and then we pass in the query. All right, which is right here coming through. All right, so now we could check this if we wanted to. If not, result, we could make sure that everything else dies. So let's just say DB connection, actually query failed. All right, we could say that, and then we can pass it in some errors if you want. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Then make sure that because we are using this somewhere else, make sure that you are returning the result set, right? I mean, not the result, the query right here. It is the result. All right, so we just make sure that we return that, and that's it. All right, so we're done with this query function. I'm going to cut off the lecture here just to make it short and sweet, but on the next lectures we're going to keep building this up and making it a lot better. All right, we're going to be using all these methods here in our class. It's going to be really cool, and what can I tell you? Have a great day, and if you're not finished, go to the next lecture and let's do it. Take care, my friends.